This striking 1963 photo shows inventor Hugo Gernsback wearing his prototype television eyeglasses, an early attempt at creating a portable viewing device. Though bulky and never mass-produced, the idea reflected Gernsback's visionary imagination and foreshadowed today's obsession with wearable screens and immersive media. Just a school photo? Look closer. There's something in his face that feels oddly familiar, like you've seen him 1,000 times, just not like this. I'll give you a moment to think. The answer comes at the end of this video. This 1942 photograph shows Nan Woodgram and Dr. Byron McKeeby, the models from Grant Wood's iconic American Gothic 1930, standing in the gallery beside the painting. Taken shortly after the artist's death, it marked the first time the subjects and painting were reunited publicly in Cedar Rapids, offering a rare glimpse at the real people behind one of America's most recognizable works of art. This sleek 1937 photograph captures the experimental PLM-221B aérienne locomotive at Paris's Gare de Lyon. Its aerodynamic shell was meant to boost speed and style, but the project ended when World War II began. In 1973, Seattle tested curbside charging for electric cars during the oil crisis. This photo shows an experimental AMC gremlin being plugged in at an electro-park station. 1 hour of power cost just 25 cents. This 1993 behind-the-scenes photo shows Elijah Wood and Macaulay Culkin on the set of The Good Son, sharing a light moment between takes. Their smiles contrast sharply with the film's dark and intense story. In January 1954, dozens of Chicago residents lined up with their dogs outside the Illinois Animal Welfare League. The city launched a widespread rabies vaccination campaign following a local outbreak, with thousands of pets treated over several weeks to contain the threat. This striking 1919 photo shows a crew towing an entire wooden house through San Francisco streets using a makeshift truck rig. It's a vivid snapshot of early urban ingenuity, moving an entire home one block at a time. In the 1930s, Coca-Cola was delivered door to door. This photo shows a uniformed delivery crew unloading crates of glass bottles from a branded truck. It's a forgotten era when soda came straight to your front steps. This strange-looking device wasn't for listening to aliens, but it was part of early telephone research. Long before sleek handsets, inventors experimented with giant cones to transmit sound, a bizarre, brilliant step toward the phones we carry today. This unusual photo from the 1890s shows a couple on an old-fashioned bicycle. It's an early version of the tandem, a bold and stylish way for couples to travel together when bicycles were just becoming popular. So, how about that face from earlier? Did it look familiar in the end? If you recognized him right away, well done. And if not, no worries. That was Marshall Mathers, known to the world as Eminem, long before the spotlight and stadium tours. Long before the fame, the controversies, the Grammys, he was just a kid like anyone else, caught in a school photo that would one day seem historic. If you like this glimpse into the past, give the video a like, consider subscribing, and let us know in the comments. Which image caught you off guard the most?